Hey everybody, Greg Marchand here. Look, let's talk about the importance of networking. That seems maybe insane, but networking in any and every small business is really important. Who should you be networking with? Two groups of people. Number one, any small business. You can learn something from how other small businesses conduct customer satisfaction practices, how they conduct their financial reviews, who they do business with, how they negotiate supplier relationships. You can learn anything from any small business. The relationships you should really develop in terms of networking are with other automotive repair shops. Get yourself as part of a mastermind group, get yourself as part of a 20 group, get yourself out there, go in it with an open mind, leave your ego at the door, and think when you sit down to watch or take part, think to yourself, I am going to get something out of this today, no matter how small it is. Dedicate that time. Intentionally network. It'll expand your horizons, it'll expand your knowledge base, it'll expand how you think about your business. Go do it. Keep up the great work and never stop learning.